Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to animate images in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now for today's video, we're just going to demonstrate to you a very simple animation that you could do with your photos. As you can see here, I have my photo number 1 and photo number 2. Now what we're going to do with your photos is you're going to have to turn it into a frame by simply doing that. Then we're going to add our photo over here, put it in the middle of our first frame, and then we're going to duplicate this over here on the right side, just like this. And this time we're going to change our photo. We're going to change it to the photo of our dog, just like that. And then what we're going to do is go to prototype, select our first image over here, drag it to our second frame, and change it to whatever you would like over here, like on click or like while on hovering over here. So we're going to go with on click, and then what we're going to do is do the same thing to our dog over here. That goes back to frame number 1. Now you could add more images or have more style to it. So what we're going to do next is we're going to click on preview, and let's check it out if we were able to add some basic animation or basic changes to our photo. And as you can see, we have some basic animation and changes to our photo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.